All right, students, this is part 4 of the videos I'm recording for week 2. We're recording this on the 26th of August, and we just finished talking about the preamble to the Constitution. Article 1, basically the first three articles of the Constitution set up the federal government. Article 1 is the legislative branch, Senate and the House. Article 2 is setting up the executive branch, the presidency, and Article 3 sets up the federal judiciary. So let's go back a little bit to Article 1. And the first section says, quote, all legislative powers herein granted shall be vested in a Congress of the United States, which shall consist of a Senate and House of Representatives. Notice they don't say how many senators there's going to be, because at the time there were very few states, and now of course there's 100 senators with 50 states, and the House was much smaller too. Also in section 2, the Constitution says the House shall choose their speaker and other officers and shall have the sole power of impeachment. Impeachment is a charge of the executive, the president, like Trump was impeached this year. It is not a conviction. There has to be a trial in the Senate. Bill Clinton won his, Trump won his. Let's talk next about Section 8 of Article 1, Congress's power. The Congress shall have power to lay and collect taxes, duties, imposts, and excises, to pay the debts and provide for the common defense and general welfare of the United States. Now, these words are almost identical, common defense, general welfare, to the preamble. So the fact that the founders put these words so close together before Article 1 and in Article 1 means they must have some kind of significance if you're going to interpret the Constitution. Article 1, Section 8 also gives Congress the power to, quote, regulate commerce among the several states. In other words, to regulate interstate commerce, which has been very controversial and a source of power that the Supreme Court has given the federal government, maybe unjustifiably, for 100 years. Also, Congress has a duty under Section 8, Article 1, to constitute tribunals inferior to the Supreme Court. That's a fancy way of saying that they get to make up what the appeals court's going to be below the Supreme Court and what the trial courts are going to be. So you might as well get these in your notes now. Congress has set up district courts in many, many districts across the country. If you're in SIUE's jurisdiction, you're in the Southern District of Illinois. And we have some very good justices who were appointed by, we have very good district judges that were appointed by the President of the United States whenever they were appointed. I have a friend who's